Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get your digital store approved on Google Merchant Center. The first thing you need to do is follow Google shopping policies. This means you can only list products that comply with the rules. You cannot use affiliate links or pay-per-click offers. Every product must be available for direct purchase from your own store. When you submit your products, you must use a supported language. The language on your website, your product data, and your Merchant Center setup must all match. You also need to clearly show your return and refund policy. Add this policy to your website where customers can easily find it. It should explain how returns work, under what conditions you accept them, how long customers have to return, and how long refunds take. Even if you do not offer returns, you must still write that clearly. Security is very important. Collect payment information only on SSL-protected pages. Never sell user data, and never use customer information without permission. At the website level, make sure your contact information is visible. You can add a phone number, an email address, a contact form, or even a social profile. During checkout, you must offer at least one standard payment method such as credit card, debit card, invoicing, or payment on delivery. Customers must be able to add products to their cart and complete checkout without issues. Also, all conditions and total costs must be clear before and after purchase. Next, prepare your product data feed to match Google's product data specification. If the data is missing or incorrect, your products may be disapproved. Finally, sign into your Merchant Center account regularly. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of getting approved and keep your digital store running smoothly on Google Merchant Center. Thanks for watching.